Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am Sanskrit Das and I am pursuing BBA from Christ University and I am a legal intern on the Lexington Company. My topic for today is divorce laws. Divorce is a legal dissolution of marriage. Divorce is among the most traumatic misfortunes for any couple. The entire process of divorce that starts from coping up with emotional ups and downs to contesting for the long awaited divorce decree for several months is definitely a tough affair to get through. Before opting for a divorce, one should be aware of the fact that a divorce procedure in India extends for almost a year, and in some special cases of the disputes, the procedure may continue for years. In case of any divorce related matter, one must consult a reputed lawyer. Since India is a land of varied religious communities having their own marriage laws, the divorce procedure too varies according to the community of the couple seeking divorce. All Hindus as well as Buddhists, Sikhs and Jains can seek divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 according to the divorce laws in India. The Muslim, Christians and Persian communities on the other hand have their own laws governing marriage and divorce. Spouses belonging to different communities and castes can seek divorce under the Special Marriage Act 1956. There is also the Foreign Marriage Act 1969 governing divorce laws in marriages where either parents belong to another nationality. With the advancement of time and social awareness, several acts have been passed by the government which states the divorce rules in India to make the present day divorce procedure more progressive with respect to gender affairs and related sensitive issues. Divorce laws in India are broadly categorized into divorce by mutual consent, contested divorce, void marriage. Number 1. Divorce with mutual consent says, according to the divorce laws in India, under Article 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, the parties can seek divorce by mutual consent by filing a petition before the court through a divorce lawyer. Mutual consent means that both the parties agree for peaceful separation. Mutual consent divorce is a simple way of coming out of the marriage and dissolve it legally. Important requirements is the mutual consent of the husband and wife. Contested divorce. In case of a contested divorce, there are specific grounds on which the petition can be made. It isn't as if a husband or wife can simply ask for a divorce without stating a reason. The reason for divorce are as follows, though some are not applicable to all religions. Cruelty may be one of the reasons. Cruelty may be physical or mental cruelty. According to the Hindu divorce laws in India, if one spouse has reasonable apprehension in the mind that the other spouse's conduct is likely to be injurious or harmful, then there is sufficient ground for obtaining divorce due to cruelty by the spouse. The second can be adultery. In India, a man that commits adultery, that is the consensual sexual intercourse outside of marriage, can be charged with a criminal offense. The wife may of course file for divorce as a civil remedy. On the other hand, if a wife commits adultery, she cannot be charged with a criminal offense, though the husband can seek prosecution of the adulterer male for adultery. Thank you.